Alright guys, so on this day we were at OSW and the car was running fine. It did have 10 psi of oil pressure, but that's how much I had had the whole time, and I didn't know it was supposed to be higher. But on this last turn there, towards the end, the longest turn of the track, the one of the pistons leaned out and it exploded, and my guess is the piston ring expanded, overheated. But anyways, I went ahead and put another 5.3 in there, and I thought it was the fuel pump, so I swapped the fuel pump. And during the test run, the engine went ahead and threw a couple rod bearings, so I knew that that the fueling issue. I also kept having intermittent fuel pressure, so I knew that there was an issue there. After that second 5.3, we went ahead and swapped it with the 6.0. That one read proper oil pressure, and I've got a couple videos of that. The car set up with that engine running at Sebring. Towards the end of this video here. As for the fueling issue on the 5.3s, I went ahead and put different injectors on the 6.0, and the fuel pressure definitely stabilized. It definitely drops a little bit when it's warmed up, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna remove the Corvette style regulator, since I've heard a lot of people say those aren't the most reliable ones. But here's some footage at Sebring.